Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, presenting you today with this newly arrived and approved used Volkswagen Arteon shooting brake, available here in the sporty R-Line trim and exterior painted in deep black pearlescent paint. This model also benefits from a powerful 2.0 TDI 200 PS engine with a DSG gearbox, complemented by 4MOTION all-wheel drive, giving you maximum grip all year round. Key equipment features will include the benefit of full LED headlights with signature-shaped LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side, 19-inch Montevideo alloy wheels will complement the deep black pearl paint. In the rear, the story is no different, with sequential signature-shaped LED taillights giving your Arteon a distinctive look for the evening. With prominent R-Line badging, you'll be pleased to know this car even benefits from a sliding panoramic sunroof. For easy access, power-operated tailgate reveals a more than practical load area, as well as 60/40 folding split seats to create even more space. Passengers in the rear will enjoy plenty of legroom and headroom with multicolour ambient lighting and part leather suede seats with 2 ISOFIX anchor points. Moving over to the front, decorative door and dash inserts will also grace the cabin, whilst front bucket sport seats are upgraded as well to feature electric lumbar support, knee support as well. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-up multifunction steering wheel operating the digital cockpit up ahead. Choose from dynamic roadside recognition camera, as well as a host of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants at all times. Satellite navigation can be projected directly ahead of you, and choose from 3 customizable screens to find your favorite one. All your music and Bluetooth needs can easily be operated from the screen there, but in the center you'll always have this 8-inch Discover Nav system, featuring FM and DAB radio, along with various media source inputs. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and satellite navigation can be brought back to the center screen if you prefer. Wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection is always available, with various vehicle system settings also on offer. The assistants I mentioned earlier can also be easily operated via the center screen here if you prefer. For the music fans amongst you, an adjustable speaker sound system will certainly come in handy, with selectable drive modes also on offer, prioritizing efficient or a more sporty spirited drive. Helping you park are audible and visual front and rear sensors, with an easy to use 2-zone climate control system from the screen, or the touch sensitive controls below, which are even complemented by winter pack heated front seats. Overhead you'll find easy controls to operate the electric sunshade light along with the panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Arteon shooting brake R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out today to our sales team.